Guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Motorola phone I picked up on eBay. There it is. And the model is a Motorola V950A. Looks like it just takes a standard Motorola battery. It looks like there's an SD card in here. .256 megabyte SD card. Let's see what kind of Motorola battery it takes. Oh wait, it looks like it maybe just went out of a razor, maybe. Oh, nope, different size. Let me pause and see if I can find a battery by chance. Okay guys, looks like a battery out of a Motorola Razr K1 would fit in it. There you go, seems to turn on. This is untested as well, so we will figure out if it works or not together. Let me plug this other phone in real quick though, so we can charge this other battery. Looks like the battery's actually about to die on this one. Looks like both the LCDs work. Oh yeah, that's great. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.